The WFFE represent the marginalized small-scale artisanal fishers in the world. So we are the worst hit by the natural calamities, development programs, and so many other causes. So we are one of the vulnerable species in the world. So this year, for this general body, it was 24 countries represented from Asia, Africa, America, and Europe. The World Forum of Fisher People General Assembly decided to advocate all the governments ratify the ILO Fishing Standards Convention in order to assist the small-scale fisher people to recognize as fish workers and ensure their rights. That's one thing. Second, we decided that food sovereignty for all over the world will be ensured when the people who are depending on the resources, natural resources, forest, water and land, when they manage their resources and sustainably use them and own the resources. So we wanted to ensure that we are taking the ownership of the water bodies in order to have a aquatic reform. Also, we want to make sure the marine protected areas will not displace the small scale marginalized fisher people further from the fishing their coastal areas, because today under CBD 10% of the world marine environment will be declared as marine protected areas, which will not allow the small scale fisher people to operate on those areas, while the big oil companies, multinationals, factory trawlers and mining companies will have the access to those resources. So we are the people only victims from that, so which will also affect the eventually the small scale people will be the victims. The other point, now when we see the natural calamities, day by day it is increasing, earthquakes, tsunamis, cyclones, floods everywhere all over the world. Now we realize that the climatic changes will be one of the biggest problem. Every day there will be natural calamities, so that we need to have work in two lines. One is to prevent that, and second is to mitigate the displaced or the people who are affected. So that we want to launch a worldwide campaign of tree planting. Mangroves and coastal areas will be replanted. Second thing is to fight for the climatic changes like global warming and so on with those nations who are not really ratify those conventions. So we are fighting in two lines. One is in the mainstream, that we are fighting with the UN bodies and other government agencies like FAO, ILO, and also in the outside we are mobilizing people to pressurize the government, to advocate the government, lobby the government to take this up and protect the right of the people and ensure the life and livelihood of the small scale fisher communities. We represent those communities, those people and those people's aspirations, and their governments, UN bodies should consider these people as most deprived communities in the world and should pay their attention and pay their hear their voice, people's aspirations, and globally we are advocating the rights of those people, so that the national governments and also the world bodies, UN bodies, intergovernmental agencies should listen to us.